One of the questions we get as educators often in our careers is, what did we do yesterday? Or, what are we going to be doing tomorrow? Or, what are we going to be doing for the next 2 weeks? Or, what have we been doing for the last 2 weeks? Now, at the start of any class, that can be quite frustrating. So my students know that when they ask me these questions, here's my standard response. You need to go to assignaday.forteachers.org and search for calendar 274332. If you have questions, let me know. Let's go ahead and check out this cool technology tool. When you go to assignaday.forteachers.org, as noticed here up in the address bar, here's what your main site looks like. Now, before we get too far into this, if I click up here in the right-hand corner, you'll see they have a bunch of other products that they like to use as well. I've used Rubastar, QuizStar, but today we're going to focus on assignaday.forteachers.org. First thing you want to do if you've never used this before is teacher registration. When you get to teacher registration, quite simple. First name, last name, your school name, school zip code, and then the email address that you're going to use for your login credentials. Now here you have an option where the cursor is. It says, do not make my email address public. I do not wish for those viewing the calendar to be able to email me. I do not check that. I think if a student wants to email me about an assignment or something, they should be able to do so. Also, you need to enter a password, 5 to 10 characters, confirm it, hit sign up. Your sign up and registration is done. When you go to assignaday.forteachers.org, here's what your main page looks like. You get your nice welcome message, so welcome Mr. McCullough. Now you can see this is an awesome technology tool that I have been using way back since September 25th, 2008. So these are the calendars that I've used throughout my teaching career, again, since back in 2008. Right now, while you're with us, we're going to create next year's calendar. So, create calendar. English 1. It's going to be for next school year, 2014 to 2015. Create calendar. All right, so you'll see that calendar 276974 is our brand new calendar for next year. To enter an assignment, we want to go right here to the Edit tab, which is the second one from the left. Since this is the first time you've used your calendar, let's go ahead and add a new assignment. Since we're thinking into the future, we want to go ahead and start over in September 2014. School starts for us September 2nd, so that's going to be our first date that we select. Assignment title, Welcome to Class. Now to save you the time of me typing everything, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste what we've done for our first class activity. So today we worked tremendous. We were introduced to Mr. McCullough, introduced ourselves to him. We learned the requirements of the class. We received our management plans and filled in a student info sheet. We also received our first assignment entitled 30 Things About Me. So how detailed you'd like to be about the assignment is right there. You'll see a title. You'll see the date. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and click Add this assignment. Your assignment or event has been added, so click OK. Alrighty. Again, if you have additional assignments, of course, you'll enter those. So add new assignment, or return to calendar manager, or submit date changes. So you do have those options. Once you've entered a lot of assignments, of course, this is going to be more detailed. Okay, so we want to return to calendar manager. And we're going to look at some calendars that I've already done. So again, I've been using this since September 25th, 2008. So we'll check out our current calendar, 274332. get it to the current month here. So you see, this calendar starts April 1st, 2014, has a title of what we've done every day throughout the month, all the way up until April 30th, 2014. So when students are absent, on whatever day they're absent, or for however long, they can just go here and look at all the assignments. A great option that they have here is towards the bottom, view your calendar in a separate window. Let's click on that. Here we have the overview of the month of April. So if you just take your cursor, put it over specific dates, students can see what we've been doing in class, whether they were there or not. And again, this can be more detailed than usually what I tell them. So again, if they've been gone, go to calendar 274332. Sometimes students do not like that option, so I tell them to click on the list option. The list option gives you the detailed information in one screen, so you do not have to hover over anything. Now this may seem like a lot of work at first, but once you get the first calendar done and taken care of, anytime a student is absent, you can say go to our calendar. Usually, like I say, it's more detailed than what I've told them. So a really cool technology tool. It's free. I would also advise to check out some of these other cool websites and things that they have here. QuizStar, TrackStar, Rubistar. Those are also pretty cool. Again, whenever students are absent, just have them go to your assignment calendar. It'll save you a lot of difficulty, a lot of stress. So the next time they ask you, what are we doing? You'll be able to tell them. Have a great day.